Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Agnat Firasyan Hilal, and on this video, I will teach you how to fix DHCP APIPA is used or DHCP IP DHCP is failed. Okay. Okay, let's start. I have an problem in here, like when I want to use DHCP IP, but it can't. Yeah, we can see in here the DHCP IP is not available in here. So what we should do if the IP didn't appear in here? So the first step is make sure your interface is up. So as we can see, this interface is red. Its mean is close, or this interface is down. So the first step is make sure your interface is up. Okay, so let's go on the interface FA00. Interface FA00 and use command no shutdown to activate the interface. No shutdown. Okay, and after that, if the interface are up, so make try again if the DHCP is available or not. So we can see the DHCP is failed because it's another problem. So we can use this command on the router CLI. We can use show run. Do show run. Okay. We can see let's see the interface IP. So the interface IP is FA00 is the IP is 192.168.10.1. So uh, before I made this video, I already to make an DHCP, but it's cannot to available on the PC. So this is the DHCP that I make before. Yeah, it's similar to the IP. So the main comment of the DHCP is network. The network is what network we want to share the IP, and default router is the default gateway on this PC. So default gateway is default router command, and DNS server is the DNS server on the PC. Okay, so I want to give an IP DHCP on interface FA00. So this is the IP on the interface. So I make the DHCP. Okay, I make the network, but if we see a little bit detail, this is there is a typo in here. The IP on the interface is 192.168.10.1, but on the DHCP pool there is 0.1.0 is not 0.10.0, and it's same on the default router. It's 0.1 and 0.0. It should be 192.168.10.0. Okay, and on default router is it should be 192.168.10.1, not 0.0. So this is the problem. The main problem in on the network, and the second problem is on the default router command. So let's fix it. Okay, go on to the DHCP pool that I make before is DHCP pool PC, right? IP DHCP pool PC, and we can just add a new command, or we can erase the wrong command before. So maybe I will erase the wrong command before. So use no network 192.168.1.0. So this is the wrong comment, so I will erase it and erase the another wrong comment. No default router 192.168.1.0. So let's make a new correct comment. So this is the correct comment because the IP on the interface FA00 is 192. Wait. Um, okay. I will. Yeah, the IP is 192.168.10.0/24. Say, okay, this is the IP on this interface. The router is the IP of router is 192.168.10.1. Okay, so we want to give this network IP to this PC. So let's make a comment network 192.168.10.0 because this is network. We use 0.0 and the subnet mask is 25. Okay, like this, and we make a default router comment for default gateway for the PC. Default router is the IP of the router who want to give the DHCP IP is 192.168.10.1. Okay, why 0.1? Because this is the IP of the router. Okay, enter. So after doing this all this point, you can check again to your PC IP and make sure your DHCP IP is available. Okay, if it's still failed, let's check again what's the wrong. Uh, let's check on the interface FA00 IP at sub 192.168.10.25.25.25.0. Or we can make a new pool. Okay, we can disable this IP DHCP pool if it's still fail. No IP DHCP pool PC. Okay, and we make a new DHCP pool IP DHCP pool new and network 192.168.10.0 and default router is 192.168.10.1 and DNS server is 8.8.8. Okay, do show run. Okay, if we as we can see, the DHCP request is successful, so we can receive a DHCP IP from this router because there is some several mistakes on command on this router, and finally we can solve it with several command. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry for my mistake. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.